Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to easily create a multi-language website using System.io. If you want to follow along with me step by step, I have a link in the video description and the pinned comment below. You can click on it to sign up for a completely free account so we can get started together. Once you created a new account or logged in into your System.io account, hover over the Sites tab at the top of the menu and click on Websites. As a next step, click on the Create button in the top right corner. A window will pop up. Let's give our website a name. For this demo, I'll call it Demo Website. Now choose your domain. If you are on the free plan, you can use your free System.io subdomain. For the URL path, you can write whatever you like, but I'll just copy and paste the name we used. Finally, select your main language. We will choose English for this one and then click on Save. Now choose a template that fits your style. I'll go with this one and click on Save. Once the editor opens, you'll see that everything is highly intuitive. If you click on any element, you can easily customize it. At the top of your screen, you'll see 4 main tabs: Pages, Pop-ups, Style and Settings. Under the Pages tab, you can see all the active pages on your site. The 4 default pages are already added to your header menu. If you want to add a new page, just click on this plus button to add a page. Let's name this one Services and set the URL path to Services. If you want this page to automatically appear in your header menu, just keep that option toggled on and click on Save. As you can see, our new service page is currently in draft mode, which means it isn't live yet. Simply click on the page to customize it. When you are ready to make it public, click on the 3 dots and select Publish. The pop-up tab lets you create pop-ups for a single page or your entire website. Under the Style tab, you can customize your global typography, meaning you can change the fonts and the overall styles across your entire site in just one click. Now let's go to the most important part, adding another language to your website. Click on the Settings tab. Our primary language is English, but we want to add Spanish, for example. Click inside the language field, search for Spanish or whatever language you want to add and select it. System.io will ask you if you want to copy the pages you've already created for this new language or skip and do it manually. Since we usually want our design to remain the same, we'll choose to copy the pages. Now if we go back to the Pages tab, you can switch the language at the top to Spanish and you'll notice that all the Spanish pages are currently in draft mode. It's important to know the System.io does not automatically translate your text. If you open a Spanish page, the layout is there, but the text is still in English. You must go in and manually translate the content into Spanish. Once you've translated a page, just click the 3 dots and publish it. Repeat the process for all the pages. Once done, you can check the preview on desktop and mobile version. Visitors from Spanish-speaking countries will automatically be shown the Spanish version of your website, while everyone else will see the default English version. It's that simple. Thank you so much for watching.